Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. As you can see, I'm not at Luna Park or Uhuru Park. This is in Dandora phase 2. Actually, I grew up in Dandora, so the guy who does all this, his name is Evans. So if you need landscaping services, if you need someone, just your backyard to be transformed, your office space to be transformed, this is the guy to call. So I'm just going to show you around, show you what he has done. Like, he takes everything that you think that is useless and recycles them into beautiful things. Like these ones right here, these ones are tiles. They have been painted and then made into this. And then there's like a small note. There's like a small note here. Take care of the environment and it will take care of you. Look at this seat over here. Like, it's just a beautiful place. Right here, what you're seeing here, this is a football that has been transformed into a vase where he puts plants and just so many beautiful things around this place. So I'm just going to show you around, as I said earlier, and you get to decide. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me see you on my next one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell for more positivity, for more awesomeness. Having said all that, bye bye, love and light.